In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Dropbox subscription. If you're ready to stop your paid plan, the process takes just a minute on the Dropbox website. Before we begin, a quick heads up, canceling ends your premium features at the end of your current billing period, not immediately. Your files stay in your account, but if they exceed the free storage limit after the downgrade, syncing will pause until you free up space or upgrade again. With that in mind, let's walk through it together. Start by opening a browser and signing in at Dropbox.com with your account. The cancellation option isn't available in the desktop app, so make sure you're on the website. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your avatar. This opens a small menu with settings for your profile and plan. From that menu, choose Manage Account. Depending on your layout, it may appear as Account, Plan, or Billing, but the goal is to reach the page that shows your current subscription details. On the Account Management page, find and click Cancel Plan. It might be labeled Downgrade or Cancel Subscription, but it will be clearly associated with your current plan. Clicking this will begin the cancellation flow. Next, you'll be asked to select a reason for canceling, then click Continue Canceling. You may see a few screens offering alternatives, discounts, or the option to switch to a different plan. If you're sure you want to proceed, keep choosing the Continue option until you reach the final confirmation. Take a moment to review any notes about when your benefits end so you know exactly what to expect. After you finish, you'll receive a confirmation email at the address on your account. Keep that message for your records. If it doesn't show up within a few minutes, check your spam or promotions folder. You can also return to your account page to verify that your plan now shows a downgrade scheduled for the end of the billing period. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see a cancel button, your subscription may be managed by an organization admin or through a mobile app store, which uses a different cancellation process. And remember, you can always resubscribe later. Your files and sharing links remain in your account unless you delete them. That's it. You've successfully canceled your Dropbox subscription through the website.